Jane, a college director of workforce development, just received some great news. They've been awarded a major grant. She's excited about what this grant will accomplish for her community and can't wait to show the data and the results of the team's hard work. The not-so-great news is that the project documents are pouring in. Spreadsheets from program participants, college record data files, and paper reports, all in various formats. Gathering the data is time-consuming and difficult to manage, and the budget doesn't have much leeway for a techie or data management system to help. Enter the fivestar team and the Microsoft Power Platform to solve all of Jane's problems. Well, the data ones anyway. In a matter of weeks, the fivestar team analyzed all of Jane's data sources and created a tool using Power BI to easily and securely upload those data sources in one place. Now, Jane has a dashboard of the metrics that matter the most, and she can share them at the click of a button. The fivestar team also created online forms that tie directly into the system, so no more need for paper submissions. Fivestar also trained Jane on Power BI basics to create reports on her own. And if she does need additional support, the fivestar team is there to help, like they have been for clients like her over the past 25 years. All this within a budget the grant can afford. If you would like to be like Jane, please reach out to fivestar to see how we can make you a data champion.